Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are having a great day and that you had a great weekend. I am super excited, like I always am, but today I'm really excited because we have a new subscription to our channel. Like I said, April is a month of new subscriptions, so this one's a little different than others I opened too, and I am really thrilled about it because it's something I definitely need in my life, and I think a lot of other people do as well. So we are opening the MindWander box. So this is what the packaging looks like. Super cute. It's kind of heavy too. I'm so excited to see what's in here. But this is a mental health and self-care box. So I'm super excited to see what is in here. I don't know about you, but I definitely have some mental health issues in my life. I definitely suffer from some anxiety, and I know I'm not the only one. And I also really try and focus on self-care. I went a few years without really taking care of myself, and lately now I'm like trying to focus on getting back in track and becoming a happy, healthy self. So as usual with new boxes on my channel, I pulled up their website, so I'm going to tell you a little bit more about it. So when I pull up the website, it says, MindWander is a woman's mental health box that includes a therapist-designed workbook and luxurious self-care treats. They offer two different options. There's a mini and then the regular subscription. The MindWander mini starts at $17.99 per month, and then the regular MindWander box is $37.99 a month. And this box is supposed to give you practical skills for decreasing anxiety and stress. So yes, I need that. It says if you're looking to put a little more therapy in your self-care routine, this is the box for you. Developed by a PhD psychologist, boxes include a mini workbook filled with strategies for decreasing anxiety and stress and increasing confidence and positivity. After all that hard work, treat yourself with a variety of high-quality self-care items. It says this will make a great gift for those who love self-care. They're committed to being friendly to people, animals, and the environment. Their boxes are made from 100% recycled material and are compostable and recyclable, so that is awesome. We bring you the best science-based strategies for stress and anxiety relief, improving sleep, increasing self-confidence, boosting positive mood, and more. Their boxes ship on the 4th of the month. Order by the last day of the month to get the next month's box. So this ships only within the United States. I do have a promo code as well. You can save 10% on your box. I will leave the link to the subscription along with the promo code down below. I believe the promo code is only valid through the end of April, so if you're interested after watching me unbox, definitely take advantage of that. I don't get anything out of the code. It is just for you guys to help save money. I am so excited to see what is in here. Oh, there's one last thing I forgot to read. It says, we love to support small businesses whenever possible. Self-care items include luxury bath and body products, journals and notebooks, pens, teas, snacks, and other surprises. So this sounds so awesome. I'm so excited. Again, this is what the box looks like, and I am going to open it, and let's get unboxing. Before we get started, I just want to take a moment and remind you that I do have an active giveaway going on. That giveaway ends on April 13th, so that is to win 2 of the Walmart beauty boxes. So I will of course leave the giveaway video link in the description box. And we're also getting very close to 4,000 subscribers. We're about 50 away right now, so there will be a much larger giveaway coming. I've already ordered a bunch of things for you. I already have a pile of stuff, so it'll be really fun. I love giving back to my subscribers. You guys mean the world to me. But yeah, just wanted to remind you guys about that giveaway and about what's coming in the future. So let's get unboxing now. And I'm sorry, I feel like I sound like kind of nasally today. If I do, sorry for my voice. I don't feel sick or anything. I'm just a little stuffy. So when I open the box, this is what I see. It says, MindWander is committed to being friendly to people, animals, and the environment. And it reminds us that it is made from 100% recycled material, so I love all of that. You know I love my animals and the environment too. So then there is a card on here that says MindWander. Sounded like I said water there. And in here, oh, this is really informative. So it has a list of everything that comes inside along with pricing, so I love that. It says, mindfulness, April 2019. Your MindWander package is here. We are so happy to support your commitment to better mental health and making your self-care a priority. Awesome. Wow, it looks like so much stuff comes in here, so I will keep this nearby and read it, and then at the end I will add up the total. So the first thing I see is the Mindfulness Mini Workbook. And then it says, your MindWander box is here. Each month's mini workbook is designed specifically for MindWander by me, Dr. Sarah. I'm a licensed clinical psychologist and therapist with over 10 years of experience working with people to improve anxiety, stress, and depression. I'm so excited to be able to deliver this mini dose of therapy to you each month as you travel along your self-care journey. MindWander boxes are so much more than just the items included, although we're pretty excited about those too. The heart of the MindWander experience comes from this mini workbook, which will guide you through the next month's activities designed to teach you practical strategies that really work. I want you to treat yourself with the items in the box, but I also want you to have new skills so that you can become effective in meeting your life goals. These mini workbooks cover topics that I often work on with my in-person therapy clients. The activities, exercises, and strategies included here are based on cognitive behavioral therapy, which is a gold standard intervention for anxiety, stress, and depression. I don't rely on pop psychology or pseudoscience. You can trust these strategies are grounded in scientific findings and research studies. And they also have a members-only Facebook group. That is awesome. So that group provides additional support, encouragement, and the chance to ask Dr. Sarah any questions along the way. So that's awesome. I'm definitely going to join after I unbox. And hold on, my cat just joined. I just planted some things and my cat is getting into them. Archer. Hey, baby. I just moved my succulents into like new little planters, and I also have my mint seeds over there, so I keep them in this room because the doors are normally closed, but when I film I keep the door open because my cats would throw a little hissy fit if I didn't let them in. But anyways, this is so awesome. So it's like week 1, what mindfulness practice can do for you. It talks about some research. It looks like there's like a podcast you can listen to, and you fill in like some things here. So it's like an active journal, which is super awesome. Teaches you how to practice mindfulness, some breath techniques. This is awesome. And there's like a checklist here for the week. So this is super cool. I am super excited. I'm not gonna read all this to you even though I want to, but it looks like there's a checklist for each week. So this is super awesome. I'm so excited. So this will go along with everything we get in the box. And it says this mini workbook is filled with information, worksheets, and exercises to help you develop your mindfulness skills. Regular mindfulness practices associated with better physical and mental health. Complete all the activities to get the most out of your package, and this has a retail value of $5. The next thing I see, this is what was so heavy, I think. This is the Daily Soak Aromatherapy Shower Bombs. This is awesome because not everyone has baths that they can use to take, you know, to use bath bombs, but shower bombs, this is awesome. And it looks like there's a lot included in here. So, yeah, there's what, like 5? Awesome. Let's see what it says about these. Yeah, it says set of 5 shower steamers from the Daily Soak. We love this Etsy shop. Megan offers handmade vegan soap, scented bath bombs, luxurious body lotions, and these shower steamers. She sources many of her ingredients from her local Amish community in Wisconsin. If you're new to shower steamers, you will love these. Like a bath bomb before the shower, these steamers allow you to treat yourself throughout the work week. With 5 different scents, you'll be sure to find a favorite. And this has a retail value of $9. I used a shower steamer once. I received it in one of my boxes last month, and I really liked it, so I'm super excited to try more. And I love that there's 5 and they're all different flavors. So that is awesome, and it's from an Etsy shop owner from Wisconsin. Like, I'm a Midwest girl, so I love that. And then I see like a jar. I bet this has some purpose. Let's see. Well, in it there are some stickers. The mindfulness journal jar sticker. I bet that's supposed to go on top. And then there's also something that says just MindWander on it. So this is like their logo. It says journal jar plus 30 daily writing prompts. So I think there might be something else in here that goes with it. But it says we included a little fun DIY twist this month. To assemble your mindfulness journal jar, simply unwrap the prompts and place them in the jar. Keep the jar simple or dress it up with one or both of the included stickers. Place the jar in a visible location. Each morning draw a prompt at random to inspire your mindful awareness. Set aside some time at the end of each day for your writing. This is a value of $8. Let's see where those prompts are. Okay, so here are the prompts. They're in this little bag. This is a cute idea. I like this. I like little activities, especially this is a good way to remind you too. So these cards are in some plastic. Let me get it open. So these are what the prompt cards look like. There's a lot of them. So I'm just gonna read one of them. It says, become aware of positive social connection you made today. Who were you with? What did you notice? And I'll just read one more. It says, reflect on how you reacted to your thoughts and feelings today. Were some of the thoughts and feelings hard to disengage from? So it just really makes you think and engage your mindfulness. So that is awesome. So I'm gonna put these in the jar. And then later on I will put the stickers on too. I'm really excited to start using this. Oh man, these are so cute. Here are some felt tip pens. How adorable are these pens? I love the colors of them. On the back it says they are black ink. So, and they're 0.7 millimeter point size, bleed resistant. These are so cute. Let me take one out so you can see it. So these are what the pens look like without that plastic over, so you can get a better picture of them. Totally broke a nail while opening that, but that nail has been like almost broken for a while now. But anyways, so these are the Arc Catalina felt tips, set of 3, retail value of $8. It says a good pen makes writing so much more fun. This set of 3 ensures that you'll always have one handy in shades of teal, pink, and gray. They're perfect for spring. I love these colors, by the way. Each pen features a quality barrel with a practical clip and designer details. The felt tips ensure smooth, consistent ink flow. Awesome. This is so fun to open. There's like a few more things in here, I think. Ooh. This is cool. Let me get the swigglies off. This is a felt notebook. And like seriously is felt too. So this felt journal has a retail value of $12. It says this modern high quality felt notebook features heavyweight acid-free ruled cream colored paper. The durable hardcover stands up to use, so feel free to tuck into your work bag, purse, or backpack and keep it on hand to record reflections. The color contrast elastic band adds a stylish touch, and nifty interior pocket gives you a place to store your loose items. Pairs perfectly with your mindfulness journal prompts this month, so use it to keep track of goals, lists, or other dreams. Awesome. So I will dedicate this journal for my mindfulness practices with this book and with the prompts, so I can write down the answer to the prompts in here. And I do love this like color that comes with the gray. This is so cool. I love this, and I love how it feels. Next up, I see something that says Breathe Buttermint, refreshing, smooth, and helps open up your nasal passages, which I clearly need today. That's fitting. It says this makes a minimum of 5 cups. This is like a tea, a breathing tea. This is $5. It says it's a lovely reminder to slow down and take a breath. The artisan loose leaf tea is personally curated by the tea experts at Simplicity Teas. The flavor profile features an aromatic blend of spearmint leaves with warm, creamy vanilla, a treat for those with a sweet tooth. Each container serves 5 to 9 cups. Awesome, I'm like actually in need of this, and now I'm on a tea kick. You guys know I just got a tea subscription, so I'm excited about this now that I am a tea lover. And it looks like there is one more thing, and it says Just Breathe, herbal nail and cuticle oil. Cool. is that. And this is $8. It says this lovely Etsy shop is owned by a self-described lover of science, herbs, kombucha, and all things Harry Potter. I love Harry Potter too. She's an herbalist and soap crafter dedicated to harnessing the blessings of nature in bath and body products. This is made with a base of 5 organic herbs and infused in organic avocado oil. This moisturizer really can be used head to toe. It comes in a reusable glass roll-on for a mess-free application on the go. Take it with you to work or school and keep it on your desk. Take a few minutes to stop, massage in, and breathe before getting back to your busy day. Awesome. You guys, this was such an awesome box. I am so excited to start using the mindfulness workbook. Like, I love that this is like the core of it and everything else comes into play. Like, I wish I could just keep reading all this to you, but I've gotten some complaints before that I just read too much. But yeah, so this week, I'm opening this on a Monday too, which is perfect. It says, this month we're focused on mindfulness. We already know that, but it gives you some research and be able to recognize associations between thoughts, feelings, and behaviors you didn't recognize before. So that is a goal for this week. I am super excited, and it explains all about what mindfulness is. And I love that there's a journal that's included in here, so I can do the mindfulness prompts every day and write my thoughts in there. And also I can, if I need to write more than what I can fit in the spaces in this journal, I can use it there. These pens are freaking cute. Can't wait to use those. I need this tea. I sound nasally, at least to myself. I love stuff like this, like roll-on oils. That is awesome. The shower bombs for self-care. Yes, this is such a good idea. And I love that there's a Facebook group. I think having like a group of like-minded women who are going through the same thing you can chat with, who are also doing these exercises each month, is so awesome. So I think this is great. Like, I definitely need this in my life. I'm sure I'm not the only one. So yeah, I am super happy with this. I am so excited to get started. If you guys want to chat in the comment section, I can let you know how the workbook is going and all of that, and you can always reach me through my social media links. They're always down in the description box. You can like message me on Instagram, Facebook, whatever. I'm pretty much glued to my phone, so you can reach me pretty quickly if you have any questions about this. But anyways, I love this. I hope you did too. Please leave a comment. I will leave the links in the description box. I probably already said that, but I am so excited to get started on this today. I'm so glad I opened this on a Monday. Mondays are such a good day to like just get like really motivated to start something new, so I'm very excited about this. So anyways, I hope you are all having an amazing day. I will see you tomorrow. Love you. Bye.